My name is Shane Auman Malinaw, and I am taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Filipino second year level. As a student enrolled in the Foundation of Special and Inclusive Education class, I attest that I am thoroughly oriented by the school regarding the online class requisites using Moodle platform, expressly by the Student Affairs Office, by my department, or by any department in charge of such. I enrolled in this subject aware of the technological equipment I need and the internet data speed required to browse asynchronous online lesson through Moodle platform. When internet data speed or quality is not consistent in my local, I am willing to regularly secure a spot where I can be connected to asynchronous discussion at least twice a week. I am well acquainted that if there is an internet problem in my home, the CPAC campus is an option where I can stay to access the lessons accordingly. As a student, I agreed to comply with the requisites of the subject matter from modules 1 to 7 as posted in the Moodle classroom. I agreed to keep myself abreast of the updates through the class GC or Moodle classroom. I agreed to join faithfully with the optional Zoom classes at least once a week as scheduled by the VPAA office. Since Moodle platform is not new to me, I attest that I am already oriented on how to take the quiz or exams, and I am skilled in submitting performance tasks. I agree that all video performance tasks must be submitted using a YouTube link, being aware of the danger that my teacher may not be able to access videos from Google Drive. Moreover, I am aware that technical concerns must be channeled to the iLearn support group or the MIS department, not to my professor. I agree to take examinations as scheduled, and I am willing to take a special exam as privileged upon compliance with the school's written policy appertaining therein. I agree to take written activities in secured spots so that sudden brownouts will not hamper my activity. I am aware that if I miss the quiz, I will get score of 0 if the reason is not valid. If my reason is valid, I need to notify the professor immediately through the official class GC, and I must submit the necessary legal documents as evidence. I agree that there are deadlines for the task. After the set deadlines, I must submit the job within the next 7 working days, or I know that I will forfeit my chance to get a grade for such a specific task. As a responsible student, I will abhor dishonesty in this class and diligently strive to comply with the requirements. If I know I can abide by this agreement, I agree to drop from this class to not get a failing grade that can disqualify me from receiving the tertiary education subsidy program. I will respect the private life of my professor and will strive to communicate only using Moodle chat or approved class GC during official office hours only. I will be respectful to everyone in this class as I expected others to respect me as well. I will strive to improve myself as a human person, my communication skills, my civic engagement potentials, and my leadership powers through the guidance of my professor in this class.